Namaste viewers. So today we are going to demonstrate to you one of the latest innovations from Shaw Group, which is to do with double decking in container trucks. Now you will observe that in India a lot of trucks they go half empty because customers do not want to put their cargo on top of one another due to transit damage issues, as well as the fact that a lot of time the chemicals or the liquids they have the risk of the packaging not being able to withstand one-on-one loading. What we are seeing here today is a system where we have a deck that is built into this truck, which allows us to do this double stack loading of the IBCs in such a way that you have the IBCs at the bottom and then you also have the IBCs at the top, and both these IBCs are separated by a deck, so the weight of the top IBC is not exactly coming on the bottom IBC. And by using this method we are able to load up to 38 IBCs in this truck. Since this truck normally is a 40-foot truck that would have allowed loading of 22 IBCs on a single layer, we have been able to increase the loadability of this truck by 16 IBCs. Not only would it help in reducing the cost of transportation, it would also help companies to have more loadability of the cargo in the same truck, thereby reducing the number of trucks required for certain locations and thereby helping save fuel and unnecessary pollution. At the same time, you will see in this particular truck configuration, wherever there is a requirement of cargo securing, we have placed these aluminum beams so as to block the forward-backward movement of the cargo. As you can see in this case again, there is a beam here and this beam is acting as a load restraint or a cargo restraint beam. And in the top deck, as you will see, that there was a gap of about 2 feet in the cargo, and to ensure that the IBC should not shift or move, we have inflated an airbag in between the IBCs. So we have locked the IBCs from all sides in a way that there is no movement and hence there is no risk of any transit damage. Using the same configuration, we could have also loaded pelletized drums. Using the same configuration, we could have also loaded bagged pelletized cargo, and using the same configuration, we could have also loaded the pellet at the bottom and certain loose cargo at the top. As in case of lubricants, we get multiple SKUs, and many times lubricant companies have a restriction on the height which is allowed in the stacking of the cargo, and because here we are double stacking with a deck in between, so we will not be constrained by the stacking height, and hence we can load the truck up to its optimum capacity, which in case of a 40-feet container would mean 38 MT of full payload can be achieved. For this particular kind of trucking system, what we have also ensured that the entire deck is removable and can be kept in another part of the truck, and thereby you can get an unobstructed regular container. So this is very important feature of this double decking system, because at times there might be a cargo which does not need the double deck, and therefore it should not hamper those cargo loading in this kind of trucks. We have also improved upon the overall truck visibility by giving light in the container, so that these 40-feet containers, even when they are loaded at certain warehouses with low visibility, can get clear loading visibility, and the loaders do not have to really struggle in dark. So we have taken care of all the safety precautions of the loaders, at the same time taking the precautions of the cargo, and to ensure that you have a safe cargo transport solution which is also cost effective. We look forward to hearing from you and getting your inquiries for our double decking truck. Thank you very much.